right, everybody. Let's see if I can do this right. So here I am on Google Skills. And so I was working earlier and driving up North 85. I didn't have to carry a server home or a USB drive or anything. This is cool. This popped up, and I missed Monday. I had Monday off, and I didn't do Saturday or whatever. So I've done 4 days so far, but it only gives me 2 points because of the streak. But I think down here I'm in Silver League now. This is cool. Well, I'm definitely going to go up to gold. I don't think the top 10, yeah, definitely. That doesn't really matter. It's just fun. So at Gokame, we focus on high-end tech for small business budgets. So tonight I'm building a professional SQL database. So just go over here, apply your skills in Google Cloud. Still got my free trial. So I'm building a professional SQL database. Last time, let me get out of billing. I'm going to Gokame project. And so here's SQL. I think they're all, yeah, it's all deleted. They're all destroyed. I can create a new one here. But if I do this manually, it takes about 20 minutes clicking back and forth. With Terraform, it takes 1 command, all right? So I'm going to go into my Cloud Shell. This is really cool. I was going to activate it right quick at home. Activated it somewhere else, far away. This is all connected in the world. So let's see what we got in here. So I got projects. I'm going to CD into the projects. And then you can see Gokame. I'm going to CD into Gokame. That's another project. And then I made these other files. Okay, I'm going to do a cat. Let's do the main. So in this file, with Terraform, it tells Terraform to talk to Google. So here's where the code starts. Provider Google. The project says var project ID. So I have an ID in, where is it? The Terraform tvars. And some variables. I can go into them too. Anyways, this is the project. This is the region. And it's going to create a storage bucket, SQL database. Here's the name of the SQL database. You don't see it back here yet, but I'm about to make it. So let's see, cat backend. So GCS. Here is the bucket. Gokame Terraform state. Actually, I do want to just show you that really quick. Gemini CLI is available. Oh, that's cool. Oh, Gemini. Gemini command line interface. That is really cool. I'm just going to pull it down. And I'm going to go to Compute Engine. Anybody here yet? None people. No one wants to talk in the chat. Don't be shy. Let's go to storage. There's the buckets. So here's Gokame Terraform state. It's pretty much free. It's the state. Default state. And the public URL, see, it says it's not public. No one can go to it. You can't see it. But my private URL, it's going to have this data. You can hack into it and destroy it. But I'm going to destroy all this in a minute anyways. So, I have added. Oh, I just lost it. Oh, I just want to go back to the shell. Shell's where all our fun is. And I'm going to show you the main, the backend, and the variables. Cat, variables. So I have that project ID and the region. I don't think I have the default on here. I guess I should have. But anyways, let's see, Terraform. Cat Terraform. That's where I have the project ID is just Gokame. So we're going to do Terraform plan. And then here, we're going to see what it's going to do. So here's the Terraform plan. So this is going to create these things. It's going to create the resource SQL database, practice database. And it's going to know after apply whatever version and just the default stuff. Not really important. The name of it, I set the name and the region because I'm in US East. And let's see, all this stuff's going to come out in a minute. Then we're going to do Terraform apply. Terraform apply. This is when it actually creates things. This is really cool. Oh. Terraform will perform the actions described above. So I have to type in yes. It's going to create these things. So it's making the bucket, the database. Oh, it already created the bucket. I think I already had the bucket. I don't think I had to create the bucket twice. Oh well. March 4th, I guess it recreated it. Then we're going to go to SQL. There's that. That was fast. Database still creating. So it's working on the database. So Google's doing the heavy lifting. I don't have to do anything. That's all I had to do is type, apply and yes, or Terraform apply. And what else? Let's see. So while this is being created, I'll just tell you a story real quick. Building cloud infrastructure is like, so I work with radios as well. It's like setting up a radio repeater. You have to get the frequency right, the project ID. Here it's Gokame, and the location right, or the region. So I picked East 1. And if you don't do that, it doesn't get created right. If you don't do that in radio, you can't hear it. So I'm also a soccer referee, and you can compare Terraform to being the head referee, the main guy, and all these resources be the players, all the soccer players. And you got to make sure they're following the rules. And Terraform really conducts this very well. It's infrastructure as code, what it's called. Infrastructure as code, IAC. That is not, that's NASDAQ. Infrastructure as code. The management and provision of IT infrastructure using machine readable definition files rather than manual configuration. So we could manually go in here and click on things. What is going on? I thought it was done. It'd take like 5 minutes, I guess. Just 2.5 minutes. I'm just impatient. Let's see what else we got going on. I'm gonna go back to the dashboard over here. That's cool. What is this? Tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs. That's what I need to do. Look at all those labs. See paths. Oh, I need to continue that maybe. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, no cost, it's free. Definitely. Time limit is the maximum duration you have to complete this lab. I think I'll do that. Always use a private browser and lab credentials to run this lab. Okay, so I have a Google Cloud project, resources fixed time. Labs have a time limit, no pause feature. Use private browsing. Use a provided username and password for the lab. Oh, open console in private mode. Open console in private mode? Is that open console in private mode? Sign in using your lab credentials. Oh, so it's not here. It's not in my Google Cloud. This is just a what do you call it? A sandbox. Oh, we're almost got to the 5-minute point. Let's see. 100 people in the chat and no one's talking. Okay. So I'm trying to continue with that, I guess. That's cool. Yeah, I'll just do that. I wanted to show. There's so much meat in here. Oh, it's just 20 minutes. I can do that. Let's do that real quick. I'm not the robot. Oh, where's the cars? Cars. Okay. Open Google Cloud Console. Oh, I think I have to do it. Using incognito. That's why they were saying. Okay, so yeah, I gotta go incognito. Let's put it to the side. This is better with 2 different screens. Keep. And right over here. Incognito. Username. Password. Yeah. And we'll go to the. This is just Quick Labs. Or it used to be called Quick Labs, now it's Google Skills. And go to Google Cloud. How to use the tutorial. Project ID is Quick Labs. Okay, cool. All right, well, I got 2 things going on. So this is very neat. I could actually do this tutorial in my other one too, maybe. This is still creating though. But so it's like 2 different computers I'm working on. This is fun. So Spotlights will highlight an element, copies the code snippet, into Cloud Shell. Use this menu again from the menu up there. It's the menu. Spotlights. Okay, start. Google Cloud is a suite of cloud services. Okay, Google Skills is where you can access Google Cloud's entire catalog of labs. Lab fundamentals. Wait, this looks very basic. There's like 50 parts though. Oh, it's saying the same thing over here again. Okay, in this lab you'll learn how to perform the tasks, access the Cloud Console, get started. Oh, this is very basic. That's why it's free. Creating a virtual machine, start that button. Oh, it's still fun though. Let's just go through it. These are for back to the lab to view. Oh. Some labs are free, but others require you to pay. And then you gotta buy credits. Yeah. Alright, so answer the following multiple choice to reinforce your understanding of concepts. This builds a temporary environment. That would be the start lab button. When the timer reaches 0, you lose access to your environment. True. Yeah. Some labs have tracking. Tracks your scores. Yep. In order to receive completion, you must complete the required hands-on. Yes. Okay, access the Cloud Console. You look over here, you get a username and password. Move this thing out of the way. Alright, let's see. lost my chicken leg. Ooh, that's going for a long time. I think it's a bit long. Yeah, there's something wrong. Instance deletion prevention is disabled. That's what I really want to make sure, because I'm going to delete this later. Alright, I'm trying to do two things. Sign into Google Cloud. Make sure you use the student email, not your personal. The reason is Google account was created to use as a student. It's just temporary. It used to be called Quick Labs. Alright, test your understanding. Which field is not found in the left pane? This is system admin. Username resembles this. Cloud IAM. Sure. View projects. There's your project. I'm going to make sure I'm the same project. ID 4. Yeah, that's it. Alright then. Let's go to the next. Do not click the End Lab button until you've completed all the tasks. Click Start Lab. Alright, Cloud Console, Cloud Project, got all that stuff, got that down. So it's the same thing here and there. It's just a tutorial. Alright, view all projects. So I need to go to projects. Project name. All projects. Now I'm doing Quick Labs. I'm just trying to switch it out. Let's see if we can start this thing. We want to be on this one. E4C9. I think that's what it is. E4C9. Do not switch over to Quick Labs or Source Project at this point. However, you may use it in your labs. It is not uncommon for large enterprises or experienced users of Google Cloud to have dozens of thousands of Google Cloud projects. Thousands. Wow, that would be exhausting. But maybe beneficial. Something is wrong here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna gracefully stop that. That's a bit long. Anyways, an organizing entity for anything you build with Google Cloud. Project. Quick Labs resources shared. Yeah, sure. Now rerun all your lab steps. Yeah. Oh, what? Resources is the project? Oh. Quick Lab resources. It's not a project, it's resources. Sorry. Okay, if the menu isn't open, click the navigation menu. View all products. Okay, I'm going to go here. View all products. Alright, you can refer to the Google Cloud products. Task 3. Did I not get that? Check my progress. Oh, come on. What did I do wrong? View projects. Maybe I gotta put this whole thing over there. Let's see if I do that. No. That's not it. I got extra time. access the Cloud Console. Open Google Cloud Console button, credentials. I already did all that. Cloud. Okay, and we have the student. Yeah, we're in that. Navigation is the viewer. Enable APIs. Start them. We trial unavailable. I think this isn't this person. Using start all. Using start all. What has moved? Start tutorial. Leave. I lost the tutorial. Oh, there it is. Create VM. Click navigation, click APIs and services. APIs and services. Click the header category. The header category. Displays the different categories available. Okay. In the API search bar, type dialogue flow. Dialogue flow API. That's one word. Flow API. There it is. And enable it. Yes. I got dialogue flow API. Click enable. Go back to my thing. Execution halted. Let's see. That's actually more important. Buckets. Oh, here's the bucket. Cool. Here's the bucket I was talking about. So actually, cat name. So this is the Gokame Lab bucket with the random ID in it. And it just created it. That's cool. So earlier today, I created Gokame Terraform state. Inside of it, looks like this. That was created. And then this one, let's see inside of it. Oh, can't. Cool. And then I go to SQL Server. And here's the SQL Server. Backup is disabled. Deletion prevention is disabled. It's in US East 1. Not highly available. It's just the cheap version. I think there's like a cost I can see. Maybe billing. Let's see billing too. It's my favorite. I like to see costs. I mean, it's like pennies. In an hour, it'll take a penny. Cool. I'm gonna close that out. Sorry, I'm doing two things at once. Try this API. Click the back button. And a new browser tab. back button in your browser to verify the API is now available. Oh, try this API. There we go. New browser tab displays documentation. Close the tab when you're finished. Okay, so you can look through it. Oh, yeah. Something just popped up. I saw it. I saw you. So this is just a temporary student ID. Okay, navigation menu. Cloud console. Click on the navigation menu. Cloud overview. Okay. Complete all progress checks to get credit for your lab. Look for checkpoint sections and click check my progress. Okay, so I'm gonna go back here. I'm gonna try here, check my progress. So, okay, so I've done enable dialog API flow. Now I need to grant an IAM role. Then I'll be done. End your lab. Okay, so I need to do grant IAM role. Grant IAM role. Sign in. Okay, so I signed in. Terms and condition. Google Cloud project. And with that one. View products. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna go cloud identity. What is that? Just type it in here. I think I want this one. Cloud identity and access management. Identity and access management. I'm sure this one. Click I am an admin. That's what it is. I am an admin. Maybe this one. The list of users, permissions, and roles. Okay, so there's the roles. Okay, so this is it. Find the student at Quick Labs. That would be me. Okay, the principal column displays the student. The principal email address matches the username. I think it's like this. No, different. Because I have Quick Labs. GC. I think it's this one. Quick Labs. And the role displays editor. Okay, basic roles set project level permissions. As an editor, you can create, modify, and delete Google Cloud resources. So the owner is the admin, that's not me. You make a simple IAM update to create a principal, the viewer role on the project. The navigation. Okay. And principals. Oh wait, what is that? Add the principals section, enter identifier. Student. Or the principal. From select a role drop down menu. I might do this on another page. Yeah, I'm going to bring this up on another page. And it wants me to make the role as editor for this guy too. Basic roles. These are not very good. Should never use basic. They're primitive. Yeah, these are so basic and primitive. The basic roles. Editor. Do I save it? access, add principals, assign roles. Click viewer. My bad. Viewer and save. And that's for the student 0, 0. So he became a viewer. So I'm going to go back over here. Let's see if that did it. Okay, verify the principal inquiry. So check my progress. Okay. That was good. Answer the following multiple choice questions. Offers quick access to the platform services and outlines its offerings. Quick access. I guess navigation menu. Basic roles. Yeah, it's not very good though. Provides all viewer permissions. Viewer. Wait. Plus permissions for actions that modify. Editor. Not good. Enable APIs. Okay, so I'm done with this. I'm completely done. 100. So then I need to go to the bottom. Congrats, I'm done. Developed a solid understanding. Okay, so that was that. Okay, end your lab. When you're finished with the lab, click the End Lab, and then click Submit to confirm. Please rate each lab. Keep and where's the End Lab? Oh, there it is, End Lab. And then it'll say rated. Okay. Nice tutorial. That's good. That's very basic. Thanks for reviewing. The red looks scary. Maybe I should make this green. Okay. Why they made that for the architect then? That's the path. I guess that's just one part of the path. Labs are so much more fun than just.
Hi, and welcome to the Google Cloud.
Reading. I'll read the videos, watch videos another time. I'm not going to do it with everybody here. So that was the first lab. Then there's Cloud Fundamentals. Okay, so this is the path to architect. Course. Of course. I did this. Oh yeah, there's a check here. So it says 8 hours, I did it. After doing all of these, an hour here, 30 minutes here. This is another big one. Managing security. 14. Cloud infrastructure design and progress. How long is it going to take me? 14 hours. Maybe like a week. If I do all these, I should be able just to take the architect test, I think. I think so. Let me go back to this. Let's see if we got a penny taken. Penny taken. Nothing. Still free. All right, well, I think I'm done for the day. So SQL, there's my SQL database. I'm just going to destroy it real quick using a line. This is called Terraform destroy. Destroy? Let's spell that. Destroy. There we go. This should get rid of everything. So, do you really want to destroy all the resources? Yes. So it's going to destroy the SQL database, the storage bucket, that random one. It's still destroying. Let's go down a little bit so we can see. The database is still being destroyed. I wonder if there's some kind of cutoff here. the storage bucket's been destroyed. So I'm gonna go to the bucket. Buckets should see just my basic one. Yeah, the other one's gone. I'll work on that tomorrow for SQL database. Something's wrong. Oh, it's gone. It's still destroying, but it's gone. There is nothing left. There is nothing. All right, and that's it. I'm gonna go to bed. That's done. That's done. That's done. That's done. Good luck, everybody. Hopefully, you can get Architect as well. Have a good night.